This whole cartoon, the characters, the village, the voices, the animation, I made it with free AI tools and zero animation skills. Same character in every scene. Let me show you exactly how, step by step. No drawing, no editing software, no paid subscription to start. Two prompts do all the heavy lifting, and I've dropped both in the description so you can copy them. Let's build one together. 3 tabs is all you need. Google Docs, where I keep my 2 prompts, Gemini, which lights everything, and Google Flow, which generates the images and video. That's the whole studio. First, I grab the story prompt, paste it into Gemini, and hit send. In a few seconds, it writes a full story for our vegetable world. Now, the master prompt, I paste it in, drop the story at the bottom where it says here is the script, and send. In under a minute, Gemini hands me everything. Character designs, locked backgrounds, and a shot-by-shot list with image prompts, video prompts, and the voiceover lines. Over in Flow, new project, name it. Click characters, paste the first character's prompt, generate. About 50 seconds later, there's our potato. I grab his details from Gemini and rename him to match so he's easy to find later. Same 3 steps for the rest of the cast. Paste, generate, name. Now the backgrounds. This is what keeps every scene looking like the same world. Click scenes, switch from video to image, pick Nano Banana, paste the first background, generate. And here's the important bit. Images are free, so generate as many of these as you want. Open it and rename it, Dry Valley. Naming it now makes it one click to drop in later. You'll see why in a second. Same for every other location in the story. Now the scenes. I copy the image prompt for shot 1, paste it in, and where it has a background placeholder, I just swap in the dry valley we named earlier. That's why we renamed it. Generate. Image is ready. Now the video prompt. Paste it, hit the plus, pick the image we just made and add it to the prompt so the motion starts from our exact frame. Switch to video, VO 3.1 Lite, that's the cheapest option. 10 credits a clip. Generate. About 80 seconds later, there it is.
The citizens of Crisp Valley hadn't seen a drop of rain in months.
The narration is baked right in. Now let's be real about the free account. You get 50 credits a day and a light clip costs 10. So that's 5 animated clips per day free. That sounds tight, but here's the trick most people miss. You don't animate every shot. Your big story moments get a real video clip. Everything else, reactions, wide establishing shots, you run as a free still image with a slow zoom. That stretches one day's credits into a full scene and you finish the whole cartoon without paying a cent. One honest heads up, the free tier adds a small VO watermark in the corner. You can crop it out in any free editor or upgrade later if you want it gone.
The citizens of Crisp Valley hadn't seen a drop of rain in months. And if they didn't find water soon, they were all gonna turn into compost.
The dirt was cracking, the leaves were wilting, and morale was at an all-time low.
Deep beneath the parched soil lived Spud, a tough old potato with skin like leather and a heart of gold.
That's the result. Clean quality and the character and world stay consistent the whole way through. All free, all from 2 prompts. The story prompt and the master prompt are both linked in the description. Copy them and make your own. If this saved your time, hit like and subscribe. It's the one free thing that actually helps me keep making these. And next, I'm going to turn this into a Faceless channel that posts a brand new cartoon every day. So subscribe and you'll catch that one the moment it drops. See you in the next video.